morning and happy Saturday. At least it's Saturday for me. But welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. Today I will be cleaning out my sink, giving you guys a little bit of cleaning motivation today. It is a weekend, but there's no reason why we can't still keep everything as neat as possible. In this video, you will hear some background noise. I did have a podcast playing while I was cleaning today, so that is what the little whining voices in the background are. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and enjoy. So towards the end here, my phone actually died, so I didn't get to show you the full depth of how I cleaned my kitchen. So maybe I will put that in a next video. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.